here's a quick explanation on how to use the zipper pull applicator. So this sticks onto either your wall or your table just by pulling off the paper at the back there and simply sticking it wherever you'd like it. That holds it in place so that we can get our zipper pull, and you will put it upside down, and we look at the shape of this and put it in to the shape here. So you've got the large holes facing out to the large opening. Upside down, we simply place it in and slide it on, and it is just sitting on top. Don't try and slide it into the guide, it is simply just sitting on top and holding it into place. Then you've got your zip, and we open up the zip end like so, either side. You've got your zipper pull upside down, so this goes upside down. The trick is to open it out on quite an angle. Don't try and do it straight, bring it on quite an angle, and it just slots into there and pulls on. Ease the zipper off, and there you have your zipper pull onto your zipper tape.